Wait for them to ask you who you know. Please don't make a sign.
Alrighty.
You don't know the half of the
Okay.
Welcome to the room of people who have
There we go. Hola, amigos. Hola, amigos. There we go. Day trading. Always active day trading. There you go. Do you see what's going on today? Making more than 450 pips in profits. Here you see what's going on. There we go. Always day trading. All my friends are making pips. All my friends are making money every day using my strategy. Aquí ganando. Hola amigos. Usando buena estrategia. There we go. Okay. Here I'm showing you the Great British Pound US dollar. Great British Pound US dollar. I took the sell. Nice downtrend out of my 1 hour candle chart. Here you go. Right now, Great British Pound US dollar making about 115 pips. Always trailing stop, close to the market price. Hola amigos, ganando aquí con Gran Bretaña US dollar. Aquí todos los amigos míos ganando. You want to make money? Copy my trades. Aquí 115 pips con Gran Bretaña US dollar. See what we have going on. Okay. Get up. Music always. Oh. Okay. Okay. Alrighty. Alrighty. There we go. Changing it up. Here the euro against Great British Pound on a buy. Making right now about 46 pips. Aquí ganando como 46 pips. Euro contra Gran Bretaña. There we go. You want to make money like I tell you every day. You copy my trades direct to your MetaTrader and learn my trading strategy. Gana usando mi estrategia directo a tu MetaTrader. There we go. That's what we do.